Jen. How are you? It's been a while. Medyo matagal na tayong hindi nagkikita. I know and I understand you're a very busy person, very busy working mom, and of course, busy wife. But more importantly, I would like to greet you on your special day. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Good luck on all your endeavors and I wish you well. Happy birthday again.
Sobrang natutuwa ako na ikaw talaga yung wife ni Chard. Kasi nakikita ko sa kanya na paano lumago as Christian. And nakita ko yung how you take care of your family. Kaya I'm so blessed and na binigyan kami ng isang mira for the family. Happy birthday and stay healthy and stay pretty.
Happy birthday, Mira. Thank you kasi since na napunta ako sa inyo, naramdam ko yung welcome niyo sa akin ni Chad, yung pagmamahal niyo sa akin. Saka yung pag-unawa niyo pag masakit yung ulo ko. Saka thank you rin kasi nagtiwala kayo kay Thea sa akin. Huwag kayong mag-alala kasi mahal na mahal ko yung pamangkin ko. Sana yung kung ano man yung hiling ng puso mo matupad. Happy birthday uli. God bless.
Hi! Happy birthday, Mira! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Bunso! I miss you! I miss everyone! And I wish sana sa birthday mo ngayon ay mag-enjoy ka lang at lahat ng utang mo babayaran na. Tapos si Thea lumaking kasing tulad mo, bibo, makulit, 'di ba? Para masaya, no? Yeah. Happy birthday. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Hi Jen! Happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo simple lang na sana masagot lahat ng panalangin mo. See you soon! Alam mo, excited akong makabanding kayo, especially with the kids. Yun lang, just enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hi Jen, happy birthday. Hindi mo expected nakakanta ako, no? Anyways, happy birthday. Pasensya ka na kung sintonado. Huwag mo lang ilalabas yan sa social media, ha? Baka mamaya ma-discover pa ako at mag-viral pa si Nina. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sa family life, given na yun alam ko, napaka-happy ng family life mo. You have a wonderful husband, and a loving husband pala. Si Thea, na napaka-cute, pero sana sundan mo kasi sayang naman yung lahi. Andito lang kami palagi ni Ninong, and we love you. Have a blast, Jen. Happy birthday.
Hi Jen, happy birthday. May you have more birthday to come and blessings. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Hi Mira, it's your birthday. I wish you all the best. May the Lord continue to bless your family. Always stay happy with Chad and Thea. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mira. Wish ko sana gabayan ka pa ni Lord sa hamon ng buhay. And stay strong and healthy para sa pamilya mo. God bless and we love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello Mira! Happy birthday! Hindi na ako mag-wish kasi alam ko narating mo na lahat yung mga dapat achievement. Ang wish ko na lang, more to come. And God bless you always. Happy birthday!
Tita Mira, happy birthday to you and I wish you all the best.
Hi, Mira!
Happy birthday! Gunakano! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Mira! Miss ka na namin!
Balikan na, Mira.
Yes! Happy birthday mo, Rahel!
Ako talaga dapat dyan. Charot!
Palit!
Bye! Happy birthday!
Uy! Birthday mo! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best in life and more birthdays to come, more blessings to come. Have a great health. I know you're enjoying your life as a mother and also a wife. Enjoy ka lang. Enjoy your day. I love you. See you soon. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Jenny. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday ko, Ate Jenny. Hindi ko rin po alam kung bakit po kumanta ng happy birthday. Pero syempre po, birthday niyo po kasi kaya po kumanta po ko ng happy birthday. Wait lang po. So, ulit po. Happy birthday po, Ate Jenny. Ang top 3 wishes ko po sa inyo ay long life and healthy life. Maging happy po kayo. Very, very happy. And sana po makita niyo na po yung yung BTS po, or sana po makapunta po kayo sa concert po nila. Tapos, ang message ko po sa inyo ay instead of message po, na lang, appreciation message. Kasi nung bata po, di ba po palaga po ko nasa inyo. So, nung bata po ko, natuto ko maging kikay-kikay, ganyan. Tapos, sa inyong dalawa po ni Ate Jean, dun po sa inyong dalawa na po yung pagiging kikay-kikay ko po. Tignan nyo nga po, andito pa rin po yung lipstick po na binigay niyo sa akin nung debo ko po. Tapos, ayun po. Tapos, ayan, I'm thankful for that. Kasi, syempre po, yung mga kasama ko po sabay po, mga laki. So, natutuhan ko po sa inyo kung paano po maging kikay-kikay girl dito. Yan. Tapos, ayun po, parang before kayo naging mother, naranasan ko rin po kung paano kayo mag-alaga ng isang batang katulad ko po. Kasi po, bata-bata ko po nung i-clip ko po naman. Yung mga naglalakad po tayo sa BGC tuwing gabi, magpupunta po ng Victory, ganyan. Pupunta po kung saan-saan, ganyan. Nanood po ng movie, ganyan. So, ayun, ang dami ko pong first sa buhay ko na sa inyo ko po naranasan. So, I'm very, 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 super duper, very much thankful for that po. And, ang ano po sa inyo, birthday gift ko po sa inyo, ilang araw ko po itong pinag-isipan. Isa lang po talaga, may isang pumasok po sa isip ko na tawag dito. May birthday coupon po kayo na pwede nyo pong i-avail kapag may manliligaw na po ako, pag may boyfriend na po kami. Ako lang. Pag may manliligaw boyfriend na po ako, yung birthday coupon nyo po pwede nyo pong i-avail. Kami po yung mag-aalaga kay Althea for a day. We got it all for you po. Ayun lang naman po. So, happy birthday po ulit, Ate Jenny. Kalimutan ko po itanong sa kaibigan ko kung ano yung I love you sa pag-army. Pero feeling ko po ay bangtan niyo or ay army. Nalagyan ko na lang po ng dito. Purple. Ayun lang po. Thank you very, very much and happy birthday. Kamsami!
Birthday, Jenny! Thank you na ikaw ay isa dun sa mga core people ko. Thank you sa pakikinig sa akin and sa mga inputs and advices mo. I just want to say na I'm proud of you. I'm glad and I'm so happy na isa ako sa mga witnesses kung paano mag-work si God sa buhay mo. And I just want to also say na enjoy your season as a wife, as a mom, and sa new opportunities mo sa work. I pray for joy sa'yo, and I pray for strong relationship sa inyo ni Chad and sa family na binubuo ninyo and sa whole family mo din. And ayun lang. So happy birthday ulit. I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa amin ang pulutan.
Happy
birthday. Naway malasing mo kami. Happy birthday!
Jenny!
Uy, birthday mo pala. Happy birthday, Jenny. Gabayan ka sana lagi ni Lord sa araw-araw. Bigyan ka niya ng lakas sa pag-alaga mo sa anak mo, sa pagtrabaho mo, sa pagbiyahe mo sa araw-araw. Ingat palagi. Happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka.
Happy birthday, Mira! Surprise! Ayan, naisingit ko na ang video ko. Yes, masyado akong busy. It's really a sad, but it's more of bittersweet that you're leaving YouTube. But I know it's all gonna be good for you and your family, Chad and Thea. So I know you're doing this for them. And I wish you all the best. And yeah, we'll see you around. Bye! Happy birthday again!
Happy birthday, Mom! Don't miss us too much. See you around.
Hi, Mira. Happy birthday to you. Wishing you a wonderful day filled with love, laughter, and all the best things in life. Cheers and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Mira. Praise God in your life. Alam mo, we can see how God's been blessing you. You enjoying your motherhood kay Thea, your marriage, fulfilling work, supportive family from both sides. And you have friends for life. And of course, we definitely want just the best for you and your family. So, ngayong birthday mo, message ko sa'yo with all these blessings that you have is KKK. Just keep knowing our King. And patuloy ka rin KKK. Kumapit kay Kristo. And so yung message na to is also from your KKK. Kasi outside the family, I'm your K, your katrabaho. And within the family, I'm also your K, kuya, kumpare kay Thea. And lastly, K, forever, kapatid mo kay Lord. So God bless you. Again, happy birthday.
As usual, late na naman ako. Ako na lang daw iniintay. So, happy birthday, Jen. Meron ako, digo. I want you to know that you are one of my favorite person. I admire your faith in God, and it always hits me hard when you pray for us. As in, laging tagos sa puso yung mga prayers mo for us. I feel your faith in God radiate around you, but I also appreciate how you are so grounded in life. I am deeply honored when you and Chad chose me as one of Thea's godmother. It's one of the role that I will always cherish and hope to live up to. Thank you for being a friend and a cousin in one. Happy birthday! May gift ako sa'yo. Wait lang. Dahil special ka, may gift ako sa'yo. Happy birthday!
Hi, Mira! Happy birthday! Well, this birthday, I just want to let you know how grateful I am knowing the Aka-Awesome you. You know, you're best in your own way. Sobrang nakaka-happy na your prayers are being answered, and, you know, they're being answered on the perfect time. So, ganun naman talaga siguro. But anyway, wala akong wish talaga for you this birthday, but more on looking forward. I'm looking forward to the next answered prayer, and I hope that includes me ni Mira. Anytime soon, please. So ayun lang. Again, happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy your day, and more blessings. Miss and love you.
Hi Mira! Got your gifts na. Thank you so much. Birthday na birthday may ko nagregalo, but I just wanna thank you for the gift of friendship more than anything else. Enjoy your day and happy birthday. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mira! Happy 18th birthday! Or should I say, happy 16th birthday? No, just kidding. So, I'm so glad and I'm so blessed na naging kaibigan ko kayo ni Chad. It feels like just yesterday, we were single, laughing about life's craziness. Now, 8 years later, yes, 8 years later, since we met, you found love. Yes, your McDonald's saga with Chad. You got married and have one of the cutest baby ever. So, watching your journey has been amazing, and I'm so happy for you. From those early days to now, you've come so far, Mira, and I'm so happy for that. Wishing you the best birthday, filled with love, joy, and great memories. Praying for you and for the family, more blessing to come so that you can bless other people as well. And I know the Lord will answer your prayers, all the desire of your heart, sa tamang panahon, the right time. And we just need to wait and have faith in Him. God bless you and happy birthday again. See you.
Happy birthday, Stripey. I'm not sure how old you are now, but regardless of the age, I hope you feel good about yourself all the time and that you feel young and always with a grateful heart. So, you may be celebrating your birthday today with Chad, with Theapot, and your family, but I do hope that you get to enjoy a day enjoying yourself and having time for yourself, doing whatever you feel like doing, which is also going to be for yourself, other than the family members around you. So, I haven't seen you in a while, and I don't remember kailan yun last, but I do hope I'll see you again soon, and we can go ahead, have some drinks, food, and a lot of time laughing about good things that happened. So, happy birthday, and see you again very soon. I love you. Bye-bye.
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 제니 누나 생일 축하합니다. 안녕하세요. BTS합니다. 생일 축하합니다, 제니 씨. 사랑해요.
Ninang Jenny. Happy birthday now, Jenny.
One more.
Happy Nana Jenny.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nina Jenny.
I love you.
Love you.
You sing in French.
Oh, sing mo
Bon
lang.
appétit, Ninang Jenny.
Andali. Sing.
Bon appétit, Nina Jenny.
Bon appétit, Ninang Jenny. Bon appétit, bon appétit.
Bon appétit. Bon appétit.
Ninang Jenny.
I can watch now.
I love you, Ninang. I love you, Ninang. I love you, Ninang.
Quack, 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 quack.
Hi Jen, happy birthday.
Alam ko hindi tayo masyadong nakapagkikita ngayon at alam ko rin na dapat nagkikita tayo. Pero lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang ako para sa iyo at para sa inyo at mahal na mahal kita. Masaya ako sa nangyayari sa buhay mo at sana makapag-catch up tayo soon. I love you. Happy birthday again. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Jen. I want to take this moment and opportunity to thank you for who you are, for being such a good sister, a good mama, a good wife, a good friend, and one thing that I know for sure is that your role in my life is always like someone who ushers me back to what's the right thing to do. Yan. I love how you always palagi ako may fresh insight whenever we talk. Yun. Kaya minsan mag-date tayong dalawa lang. Yung dati natin ginagawa. Iwan natin ng mga babies sa mga dads. Yun.
Wait lang, kami nagplano ni Chad na may...
Basta. Okay. Happy birthday. I want you to know that we appreciate you. I'm always proud of you. You will always be my bunsong sister and will always be protective of you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jenny. For me, it's just a short message. It's again, just more blessings again for you, for your marriage, for your family. And I just wanted to take this time to really highlight na grabe yung work ni Lord, especially this year. Alam mo na yung pa-surprise for your birthday. So just wanted to really highlight how God has been so good all these years, and especially in this last year. So just wanted to again say happy birthday. Enjoy your special day as well.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mom! Don't miss us too much. See you around!
Happy birthday, Mira! Happy birthday, Mira! We love you!